Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese easily at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh, high-quality milk, a starter culture, and rennet. Whole milk is often preferred for its fat content, which contributes to a richer, creamier final product. Also, ensure all your equipment, like pots and utensils, is thoroughly cleaned and sanitized before you begin. This prevents unwanted bacteria from affecting your cheese. Next, gently heat your milk to precisely 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Once at temperature, stir in your chosen starter culture, allowing it to ripen for about 1 hour. This step develops the acidity needed for good curd formation. After ripening, carefully add the rennet, stirring briefly. Then, let the milk sit undisturbed for approximately 45 minutes until a clean break forms, indicating the curds are ready. Now, it's time to cut the curds. Using a long knife, slice the solid mass into 1/2 inch cubes, both horizontally and vertically. Gently stir these curds while slowly increasing the temperature to 100 degrees Fahrenheit over 20 minutes. This process helps expel whey. Once heated, carefully transfer the curds into a colander lined with cheesecloth, allowing the liquid whey to drain away. Finally, we move to pressing and salting. Gather the cheesecloth around the curds and place them under a gentle weight for several hours, or even overnight, to press out any remaining whey. After pressing, remove the cheese from the cloth and evenly salt its surface. This enhances flavor and aids preservation. For aging, store your cheese in a cool, humid environment, ideally between 50 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit, for several weeks or months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.